Talking it, she ain't trying it. He keep calling me crying, bitch. Dance how you killed this. I understood the assignment. I understood the assignment. I understood the assignment.
Fine, if I can't have my discs, Funny can't have his dad.
Hello, Wilbur.
Tommy in it. Hi, Tommy in it.
Hi, Wilbur.
What are you doing, Tommy in it?
I just signed a contract that I didn't understand, but now I've got a dream gay book. What are you doing?
What? Well, no, wait, no, slow down. What?
What are you doing?
No, say the thing you just said once more.
No. What are you doing? How tall are you?
I am 6'6".
No, you're not. No, I'm the tallest member of the server.
I disagree.
You're so mature now that I think it's time you grow up.